G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just bring some information out there. Obviously part of our services we provide is sealing. We use a water-based sealer, ProSeal 896. It's a penetrating sealer that penetrates onto the surface and bonds. Another benefit of it, it's a same day clean and seal. So clean the surface, apply the sealant, which goes onto a slightly moist surface. A few main benefits of sealing, obviously to help protect your surface, the membrane of it. Obviously makes it more resistant to if you're getting oil stains or bird poo, sort of things like that. But look, it's your investment, whether it be sandstone, driveways, and sealing really does add a benefit there. So if you've got any questions or need some work done, give us a call. High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast.
Thank you.